Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome to Cube's first ever YouTube video. I'm so happy to have you all here. I'm sure you all have seen the thumbnail already, why I quit Wall Street. I'm going to take you through every reason why, what the purpose was, what did I quit to do. I'm going to answer all the questions. But before I get there, if you're new, my name is Bez Barami. I'm the CEO and founder of Cube. I've been working now and started this company 2 years ago with the intention of helping everyday people invest better. We have an awesome Instagram page. Feel free to check that out. We have a great podcast. We do investment guides. We have a subscription to help people invest. We put out research reports. You name it, we're pretty much doing it. Like I said, our goal is to help you all invest better. Our goal is to also help you guys with your companies that you're starting. And I think what's interesting from our perspective and from the page perspective here is that this is coming from a company and a founder who's got no problem saying that I'm going through the same thing you guys are going through if you're starting your companies. I'm not coming from an established multi-million-dollar corporation that I've started. I'm in the trenches with you guys, and I think that is what differentiates us a lot. And I think that's why a lot of our followers love what we're doing here. They're pretty much along with us in this journey. So with that in mind, why did I quit Wall Street, right? Well, you got to be out of your mind. The main reason I quit
fucking thing sucks
is for the freedom. Now let's not get it wrong, guys. It was a great paying job. Everything was great. But like every corporate job, there's a lot of restrictions and there's a lot of red tape. So let me walk you through some examples here that I guess could have helped explain why I would do such a thing. One, the first thing I already mentioned is I wanted the freedom. I want to be able to get up every day and do what I desire to do and make a material impact on people all over the world. And that is what we're doing so far. And I wouldn't want it any other way. Number two, some things in the corporate life that really got me upset. And I'm going to tell you right now, one of them that even to this day, it bothers me. You walk in on Fridays, happy Friday, yo Bez, happy Friday. But we should enjoy every day. I always thought that was weird, and that was since day one. I worked on Wall Street for 2 years, from 2015 till the middle of, the end of 2017. And that was something that blew my mind, how much people look forward to the weekend just to enjoy, or how trash they got to forget the week that they had. And that's just not how I think, your career should be. I see it every day. We talk to you all. A lot of you guys really aren't happy with the career that you're in or that you chose. And what I'm here to say is that it's never too late to change or to go a different direction. So that's one thing. I believe we all have our calling, and mine, I knew from kind of day one that I'm going to go ahead and go my own way. I just didn't know how soon it would be. So, it's crazy, right? It's so much risk. Let's call it what it is. It was a risky move. It's been paying off so far, but I'm going to tell it like it is, guys. We did a podcast on 2019, what we believe the winning strategy is, and we said that the winning strategy is to keep it real. And I'm going to keep it real with you guys. When I quit, for a long time, I was driving Uber, and to this day, I still drive Uber here and there. Now, you might be saying, what the hell? Now you've really lost your mind. How could you go from, Wall Street to Uber in like that? And I'm here to tell you that, yes, it's crazy, but it's because it's part of the startup life. I'm going for it. It's what I wanted to do. It was what I needed to do to get by. I needed a job that would supplement the cash flow, but also be on my time so I can spend more on the time and money on the companies. So let me walk you through how I went about that. So there's two reasons why I did Uber. One is because I wanted some side cash I can put into the companies. So I built a nest egg from Wall Street. I saved up a lot of my money. I didn't get a Manhattan apartment like a lot of my friends, and I also did not want to do the curtain rod in the middle of the apartment, share and split the rent. No thanks. That can stay back in the college days. If you're gonna do Manhattan, do it right. This goes for Hoboken, Brooklyn, whatever you have you. And what I was left with was a nice large amount of savings, because I saved my money. I don't party much. I didn't rush to a Manhattan apartment. I didn't get a car. I took the bus every day. And that was it. And my goal was, I know I'm going to do something eventually. And when it does happen, and when I do have the time, and whatever company or whatever plan or whatever startup it is that I do, that when it's time, I'm going to have that nest egg ready and I'm going to do it. So, and that's exactly what happened. So the plan came to fruition. But at the same time, I can't just quit and not make any money, right? So
Sit your $5 ass down before I make change.
I did Uber for one, the side cash that helps, you know, of course, pay bills, whatever have you. But also, every single person that came into the car, and to this day, I still do it. I'm not gonna lie, I actually enjoy driving, but to this day, I look at every single person that comes in as a potential subscriber, a potential follower, and I have a 10, 20, 30, sometimes hour-long ride with them. You know, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, hour long. It's my opportunity. I'm not going to push it, but it's my opportunity to sell the guy on something or sell the girl on something or pitch whatever product or service I'm doing. So Cube has been off to a great start. It's been a couple years since it was just an Instagram page. It's grown to so much more now. And the reason I'm making this video, and I'm so excited to make more, and here's what we're going to be covering. I want to really get into it. It's going to be about hustle. It's going to be about investing strategies, tips. I've got my series certifications, and I have a lot of knowledge, or at least I think I do, in finance, in investing. And as far as the hustle and entrepreneur stuff goes, I'm going to share what has worked for me and what hasn't worked for me. And I think, like I said, what differentiates us a lot is that we're here fighting that same battle that you guys have. It's not me completing something and then telling you or trying to sell you on a guide about how you can do it too. I'm in here with you. There's going to be some videos where I'm saying, you know what, this didn't work, guys. What do you think? Does it work for you? And we can bounce these ideas off with each other. I think this is a unique channel, a unique opportunity. And I really want to make sure that Cube's content on YouTube does not overlap too much with the podcast, with the Instagram, with the newsletters, with the investment guides, with the research reports, with the subscription. I mean, we do so many things, and I want to make sure that we're providing a unique value for you guys, a unique service, a unique content for you guys. So with that in mind, things have been going great on our end. We're looking to really take it to the next level. Please be sure to subscribe. Please be sure to click the like button. I really want everybody to see this. Guys, I am just a normal dude. I'm a normal dude from New Jersey, and I'm pulling it off as we speak. It could go belly up tomorrow, or I can ride this off into the sunset and continue to provide value for people all over the world the way we have been. But be sure to like us. Be sure to follow us on this journey. Let's do it together. I want you all to comment where you're from, what you're working on. I would love to bounce ideas off each other. This is going to be a very different channel. I'm not trying to, sucker you guys into anything. Look, a lot of the reason I even started this YouTube channel, a lot of the reason I started this company is, well, for two reasons. One, I kind of got tired, and it goes back to the Wall Street thing, why I left. I kind of got tired of helping the wealthy get wealthier. I wanted to help the average Joe, the average person who has that hard-earned money and needs to get that money to work for him, how he can do it, how they can do it, how she can do it. Secondly is the fact that I see so much stuff on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube about investment advice and financial advice. And guys, it is scary. I cannot believe some of the stuff that some people are posting. Just buy crypto. And I see an 18-year-old asking a page, oh, what do you think about this stock or this, what should I invest in? And they tell them, go all in on that, or go all in on this, or just buy a Ripple. It's scary. You guys have to be careful of the content you're consuming, especially with regard to finance. A lot of these people are rookies. They don't know too well. They kind of just opened an account maybe last year and they think they know what they're talking about. We're coming at you with Wall Street background. We're coming at you with experience in this field, and we want to share everything we've learned with you guys, and we just want to grow together. So there's going to be a lot more videos coming. This is just the first one, why I quit Wall Street, and the real reason, guys, and the point blank is to help you all. That's why I quit, because I get up every day and I see the DMs and I see the emails, and it makes me so happy that I'm making an impact
to this day
on you all. So I look forward to doing that more and more and more, especially on YouTube. So thank you all again, guys. My name is Bez Brahmi. This is Cube. Thank you so much for tuning into our first video. I will catch you all on the next one.